the staff of Sportsman's News and Sportsman's Warehouse as we span the globe in search of big game, small game, waterfowl, upland birds, big fish, and awesome outdoor adventures.
Breakfast down here probably at about 4:30, so I'll come around at around 4:15 or so and bang on your doors, make sure everybody's up, and I'll come around again after the people say and didn't wake up. I'll bang on the doors again. Dock nice and early. The guys that got off the dock early today, one of our guys was out for all the boats, and he had a fishing boat before the other guys even arrived. So the earlier you can get off the dock, closer to daybreak, the better. So everybody have a good sleep tonight, get to bed early.
We're targeting the big king salmon. Went out and patrolled those same waters that Captain Cook landed here a couple hundred years ago.
Yeah, once that flasher's near the end of your rod, you're just lifting up nice and high. Oh! I got you. Nice and high with the rod. Good, guys.
Nice go home.
Yeah.
Oh, everybody get out of the way. Bobber's going at it.
Fish one.
Now I'm just waiting for the next bite. It's my turn. I'm on. What's up? Tip up.
Cut the throttle down.
Real. Tip up. There you go.
This might be a spring after all. Nice and easy now. Hop and high. And right about there's as far as you want to reel. And then when he's not tired yet, but when he's ready, get rid. Yeah, that's perfect. When he's around the boat, you don't want to be caught on the reel. That's great. He's not tucked out yet. Okay, come stand right. Yeah. Hand off. There you go. Oh! All right. He'll come back out. He'll come back out. Crank, 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 crank. Okay, a couple more. 1 or 2, 1, 2, stop. Now nice and high. Oh, one more pull back now. There's one in the bucket, kids. Swerve.
Thanks for
that leash.
I like it.
The net and oh, look at that, he's already off the hooks. Number 1.
It's our first full day of fishing at Wilderness Beach Lodge. As you can see by all the fish we tagged out on, just a great day of fishing. Accommodations are absolutely world class, phenomenal cuisine, and obviously good fishing.
Hit him again? There you go. Pull. No. Okay. Might be a cold one.
Yeah, cool. It's not the king I was looking for.
That's just a fat coho. Big coho. It's all twisted up in your line. Along over here in the side of the boat. Coming right to the boat. Watch that cannonball. Nice, boys and girls. That's a lunker. Oh, it might be a Chinook here. Just hasn't woke up.
Go that far.
We'll get him back on your rod and keep it nice and high. See that make up in front. Oh, he's got his gills coming out of his mouth there. He's not very happy. Okay, hold it in your corner of the boat. Let go.
Not again.
And then stick one toe under that board to get leverage. Let him go.
Oh, nice fish. Atta girl, atta girl.
Reel, and lift up. And in the bucket. No more reeling. Hey, little line out. Nice work.
Only one bloody
Or
knuckle.
another one. Look how pretty purple and blue the colors on that guy are.
Two I've got.
There you go. Or another one.
Thank you. 520, 213. Go ahead.
You ready, bro?
Yep.
Come.
Nice. Look at that fat boy.
fatty coho.
We had a great time here. I'm not a fisherman. They helped me do everything. I saw lots of critters, and the scenery was beautiful, the food was fantastic, and I felt like part of the family.
We were talking about the other day, Mike, we're not all that far from the east coast of Vancouver Island and Campbell River, which I was telling you about the other day, is, you know, still is in many ways considered the salmon capital of the world.
Usually a trip here to Nootka Wilderness Lodge starts off by flying into, most people from the United States fly into Vancouver and then fly from there to Campbell River on a smaller commuter plane, where we then pick people up and take them down to our float plane base, and then they're flown in by float plane directly to the lodge, where they spend the next 4 days fishing with myself and our crew of guides who have also have anywhere from 10 to 15 years experience themselves. And so then you stay for your 4 memorable days, and then we put you back on the float plane and fly you back home with hundreds of pounds of fish, and away you go.
I think what it is about Nootka Sound and about our lodge, Nootka Wilderness Lodge, is the whole package.
As you can see, this is a great king. We caught this one and many more like it right here at Nootka Wilderness Lodge. This one of the new additions is a platinum approved outfitter. You want to book a good trip to catch king salmon, come up here to Nootka Wilderness Lodge.